Okay, this is Tama jumping up on the 2 feet of snow by the school. He loves the snow. Tama loves the snow. Snow, snow, snow. Well, actually, there was a blizzard 4 days ago. And I was like, no, no, no. Come on, boy. Jump. All right, there he is. Okay. As you can see, there's a small pile of snow here, and I'm just going to move the camera around so you can see how much snow accumulated during this period. Tuesday, I think it was February the 2nd, I believe it was. This is nothing compared. I wish I had taken the video right when it happened, because this was the third worst blizzard in Chicago history. The first, the largest, the biggest blizzard, the largest accumulation was in 1967. There was like 23 inches, I believe, and then in 1999 there was about maybe 21 or something like that, and then just past a few days ago it was like 20 and something. So there you go. Here's some garbage.